right up here, you have a 10mm. We're going to turn the wheel. Take a peek inside. You'll see another 10. Use your little pocket screwdriver. Try to pop out the center of these. And once the center's out, usually you should be able to pull it out. That's the center. There we go. I'm just going to put the center back in that so I can save it. And do the same thing to this one. So we're just going to do the same to this side of the vehicle. This. We're going to use our 8mm. Remove this bolt and this bolt. All right, let's continue on to the other side. Pull this down. Pull this one down. We're going to try to get this panel out of here. Come on. There it is. All right, we'll do the same to the other side of the vehicle. So when you're doing the driver's side of this particular lens, it's best to take this down because you've got this in the way. But if you're doing the passenger side, you don't have to really take down this plate. I'm going to take it down just to show you. Just a few more 8mm bolts here. Just going to remove this. We're going to disconnect this wiring. Just squeeze the 2 tabs and pull it down. You can remove your bulb as well. Turn it counterclockwise. We're going to use an 8mm. We're going to remove this bolt. There's one up there, and then there's another one right over here. Grab your assembly, bring the whole thing right out. There it is. We've got our hole up here. You still got your nutserts. That's where the bolts are going to go. Get your brand new lens. This looks great. Super excited to put that in. Everything should want to slide in. Start installing your bolts. We're going to put in our bulb. Very nice. Let's get our wheel well back up in here. I'm just going to get it up so it's close. I'm going to make sure that this inner portion is pulled down because this part is going to slide in up above this. Slide that in. There we go. Cool. That's just going to hold it for a second. We'll get the rest of this lined up. Just feel behind your wheel well and find where the stud is that's coming out. Line that up, and then just force the wheel well up and inside the bumper cover. Just like this. Grab your other little nut here. I'm going to leave those loose for now. Now we'll just grab our little push clips and we'll start inserting these. Just try to push that in. You want to push with the outer portion and then push the center in. We're going to do the same to the others. Here we go. All right, let's do the same to the other side. All right, so let's get the shield back up on here. Just start with one corner and then just work your way. Just gonna push up as you go. Just like that. Grab this rearward one. That sits over the top of it. I'm gonna put in this last push clip right here. Do the same on the other side.